Usually we put sunset clauses on bills that we think that may cause a problem out in society.
Because of that, the legislature has to reauthorize the bill by June 30th. If it doesn't, the law will be erased from the books. As it stands now, the law allows Rhode Islanders with debilitating diseases like AIDS, cancer, and multiple sclerosis to obtain personal ID cards from the State Department of Health. Those cards would allow them to legally possess marijuana to use to alleviate their symptoms. So far, 244 Rhode Islanders have the cards. And only one problem has been reported. Stephen Tremarco of Exeter was arrested last year for offering the marijuana he used for hepatitis C to teen girls online. But the bill's sponsor says the legislation has been tweaked to try and prevent any more problems.
There are a lot of safeguards within the law to make sure that people don't get over-intoxicated with medical marijuana.
I'm against it because science does not support it.
Stephen Steiner is referring to the Institute of Medicine study conducted back in 1999, in which marijuana is not endorsed for medical purposes.
You have components within marijuana that can help people, but that's like quarter of what the component is. The other 3/4 of marijuana is toxic.
So Steiner suggests turning the good components into pills, but some patients disagree.
I took 2 little puffs and immediately the stiffness and pain and burning was relieved.
Rhonda O'Donnell suffers from multiple sclerosis. She was the first in the state to obtain an ID card last year and says she'd be heartbroken to have to give it up. Why wouldn't any other typical painkiller work?
My biggest thing is I love the fact that you can titrate the dose just by, I've had 2 puffs, I've had enough. Yes, I'm a nurse and I do agree that pharmaceuticals work. However, they don't help completely all the time.